You knew about Hema Malini and Dharmender?
Everybody knew.
Everybody knew?
Everybody knew. Because the first time Dharamji said, I'm married to her, it was for my magazine. I was not the editor, I was a reporter. And we had gone, me and my colleague, all the way to Film City. उस वक्त Film City में जाना ही एक बड़ा ट्रैक होता था. लायन, शेर, टाइगर सब रास्ते में निकलते थे. तो हम दोनों गए थे और फिर खाली उनसे एक लाइन लेनी थी कि yes, I'm married to her. उसके लिए कुछ 4 घंटे हमने फील्डिंग की थी. और फाइनली वो जैसे ही बोला, एडिटर को फ़ोन किया, उसने बोला फ़ौरन निकल जाओ. तो निकल गए हम लोग.
Before he calls up and says, kill the story. Oh, wow.
And even when she was pregnant,
So he first said that I'm married. She didn't say it first.
she never said.
Okay. And when
And-
she was pregnant?
When she was pregnant, he had booked the lots of places पे. So nobody knew where she was going to deliver. To mislead the media.
Huh. But also she was acting and nobody knew that she's pregnant and she's
Yeah.
dancing and
That she said in my book. I've done a
Huh.
autobiography on her, biography. She said everybody used to feel that she's put on weight. But she's such a beautiful face.
Yeah.
And there was nothing on the face that showed her pregnancy. So she used to get into that costume. She even was performing Bharatanatyam dances. So she said everybody used to say that she's putting on weight, but I didn't tell anybody. Nobody asked me anything. And Razia Sultan की shooting कर रही थी.
हाँ.
So she said I was all the time craving for sweet. So every time the khana was over, she'll say मेरे लिए sweet मंगा दो. That's why I think Isha Deol is such a sweet girl.
Yeah, that had one of the best music, I feel.
Oh my
Razia
God.
Sultan. But
वो जो लता जी का गाना है.
हाँ,
ए दिले
but-
नादा.
ए दिले नादा. Not ए दिले नादा.
हाँ हाँ वही.
ए दिले नादा.
And it was shot in the sand
Yes,
dunes.
yes, sand
And
dunes
then
में
there
shoot
is
किया
a
था.
pause in the song.
Yes.
Yeah.
There is
Correct.
a
हवा
pause.
चलती है
ये
फिर.
जमीन चुप है या
हाँ, आसमां चुप है.
And then the song
the
picks
song
up.
begins
Oh
again.
my
Yeah,
God.
yeah.
You know, रोंगटे खड़े जाते
Yes,
हैं.
yes.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
I
yeah.
remember attending the premiere of that film.
Yes. Dharamji didn't
And
come.
it was a disaster at the premiere itself.
Yes, correct.
Yes.
And it had the most beautiful songs,
Yeah.
but picturized badly, and movie made bad. ये तेरा हिज्र मेरा
हाँ,
नसीब
तेरा
है.
हिज्र है, मेरा नसीब है.
And
People couldn't understand the language because it
Yeah.
was so
So
मतलब वो
pure
इतना
Urdu.
pure Urdu थी.
हाँ.
And it was held at Maratha Mandir Theatre in Mumbai.
हाँ.
I distinctly remember, and it was one of my first premieres I had attended. And Smita ji, you won't believe it. And you won't believe, Smita ji, it was like interval में या picture जब चल रही थी तो people were getting restless. They couldn't understand कि screen पे हो क्या रहा है.
Yeah.
And imagine the film is going to release after 1 or 2 days.
Yeah.
और ये प्रीमियर पे रिएक्शन था. ये मैंने 2 फिल्मों में देखा है ऐसा. एक रज़िया सुल्तान में और दूसरा हम आपके हैं कौन में.
people
बात
were-
कर रहे हो?
क्या हाँ?
Yes, I'll tell you that. I'll come to that as well.
Yeah, first let's do Razia Sultan, then
So
let's come
I
to
remember that जब वो इंटरवल भी नहीं हुआ and people, the entire industry was there, and they all, a lot of people actually walked out of the premiere of Razia Sultan at that point of time क्योंकि लोगों को समझ में नहीं आ रही थी, and it was so lengthy. It
Yeah.
was a 70 mm print.
Yeah.
Now, that place had a lot of held a lot of value for Kamal Amrohi साहब because वहाँ पर मुगल आजम का भी प्रीमियर हुआ था and he wanted it there. But जब इंटरवल में रिएक्शंस आए और जब फिल्म जब समाप्त हुई, it was unanimous. There were jokes flying the next day.
We were laughing at धर्मेंद्र कि क्या
क्या किया था?
एक सीन में
Yes.
ग्रे लग रहे हैं, एक
हाँ.
सीन में ब्राउन, एक
Yes.
it was I saw it in I think Mahadev Road Auditorium or something special screening
शीला
की
में?
गई.
Yeah.
नहीं दिल्ली में in a special screening I saw. The theatre was also बिल्कुल ही bunkum and it was done so badly. Everybody was giggling. That what have you done? You know?
It was a disaster from the first show itself. I mean, premiere की तो खैर इंडस्ट्री वालों ने देखा था.
Yeah.
Cast
So it was
crew
a flop
होंगे.
film,
It
yeah?
was a disaster. It was a complete disaster. And यानी कि एक जो गिनी चुनी फिल्में हम कहते हैं जो फ्लॉप्स रही है या डिजास्टर डिबेकल्स रही है, एक सौरभ मोदी साहब ने फिल्म बनाई थी झांसी की रानी, इफ यू रिकॉल.
हाँ.
दैट वाज, वो कहते हैं ना, एक लैंडमार्क डिजास्टर.
Oh my God.
Can you imagine?
यस, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ
सौरभ मोदी.
हाँ, और वो बहुत नामचीन, बहुत ही
जी.
कमाल ओरेटर थे, और जो लिखते थे और जो पर्सनालिटी थी, जिस तरह से बोलते थे, उनकी अगर आप फिल्में देखेंगे तो
हाँ, the dialogue delivery was
super.
very erudite. हाँ.
Razia Sultan was one of those films where, and I'm talking of disasters. So जब ऐसी फिल्में आती तो आपके दिमाग में वो रह जाती क्योंकि आप वो भुला नहीं पाते. और ये एक ऐसी फिल्म थी जो उस जमाने की, धर्म जी, हेमा जी, परवीन बाबी, कमाल अमरोही साहब, आफ्टर पाकीज़ा, 70 mm, उस वक्त 70 mm का बहुत क्रेज.
Yeah. And big sets.
Big sets.
You know, those colored fountains
Oh, yes,
and
yes,
everything.
yes.
War scene.
War sequences.
Yeah.
मतलब
See, the subject was also very controversial, no? Because she's
Falling
a
for the
queen
slave.
and, yeah.
हाँ.
बट क्या होता है कि जब एक बार फिल्म नहीं चलती ना, तो वो कितने भी खूबसूरत सेट्स क्यों ना हो, कितने भी खूबसूरत गाने, आज हम वही गाने याद करते हैं.
Yeah.
मैंने ये गाना कई बार देखा, इंक्लूडिंग रिसेंटली, क्योंकि ये मेरा वन ऑफ द फेवरेट सॉन्ग्स भी है,
ए दिल ए
नादान. और पर जब फिल्म नहीं चलती तो जो सारी मेहनत होती है वो एक झटके में इवेपोरेट हो जाती है. एंड दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड with Kamal Amrohi Saab. I met him years later at Kamal. It was called Kamalistan Studios earlier at that point of time. I met him there, and but then people tend to move on in life क्योंकि आप वो फेलियर को पकड़ के नहीं रखते.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.